there! Are you ready to create something magical for your grandparents?
Yes!
Introducing the Celebrating Our Grands Magic Card Making Kit. Inside, you have everything that is needed to create a handmade gift for your grandparents. Start by coloring the card. To make it even more special, use your grand's favorite colors.
I pick orange because it's my grandma's favorite color.
I pick beige because my grandpa always cooks fried rice for me. It is the same color as the fried rice.
Take the clear plastic film and place it over the front of the card. Align the design on the film with the coloring card. Make sure it's centered and flatly laid out. Then, tape to keep it in place. Next, prepare the card sleeve. Fold the bottom and top of the sleeve, securing them with tape.
I think my grandma's going to be happy when she sees this card.
I wonder how Grandpa will feel when he sees this card. I hope it makes him smile.
Slide the card into the sleeve. The clear plastic goes in front of the white divider, and your coloring card goes behind it for the magic to work. And there you have it.
I love my grandma, that's why I did this.
I really think Grandpa will love this.
What a wonderful way to celebrate your grandparents. Show how much you love and appreciate them. Are you ready to give it to your grandparents?
Yes!
Caillou?
Grandpa,
I have a present for you. Open it.
Wow, so nice. Colorful.
Grandpa.
Oh, yes.
We made this specially for you.
Oh, yes. Such a beautiful card. You make it yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, good girl. Show it to me.
Thank you, Caillou.
Welcome.
Good girl. Very good girl.